In our weather, it is definitely cold, but we've got a warm up on the way this weekend. 13 weather ball is red, and that means warmer weather ahead as always. And this view brought to you by Countryside Greenhouse of Allendale. We forecast 28 today. It made 27. That is now 6 days in a row with your 3-degree guarantee. Hopefully stretch it to 7. 17 in the morning at 7 a.m. under clear skies. We may see some high clouds around the early afternoon, but that should not prevent us from getting up into the mid-30s here tomorrow, and the winds will have turned around to the southeast by the afternoon. From our daylight satellite vantage point from sunrise to the current time, we had a lot of cumulus clouds throughout the day today. No snow this morning, but we've got lots of clear skies expected here tonight, and it is definitely going to get cold for a while. Got some high clouds coming in from the west. They'll be with us here by the middle of the morning or the afternoon tomorrow, but we're not going to see any snow from this. That will stay south over the Chicago area and would all be very light anyway, just the flurry of activity. So if you're headed to Chicago here tomorrow, you might run into a few flurries. What the bigger news is for next weekend is that there's going to be a dramatic change in the jet stream. You can see right now we're under that cold northwest flow, and that's why we've cooled off the last couple of days. But over the next couple of days, a ridge of high pressure is going to build on in. That's going to bring the southerly winds and eventually some moisture coming up out of the Gulf. And by the time we get into Monday night, here comes a cold front. That's the strong winds pushing that cold front through. And then our winds turn around more to the northwest as we get into the middle part of the week. A little bit of light snow, and then by the time we get into Thursday and even Friday and Saturday, look at all of that energy coming on through. That means we're going to get several waves of snow starting Thursday, and that will last through Sunday. Let's turn to next Thursday. This is the European model. It's been the most reliable model this winter. We're going to see this band of snow coming through in about 3 waves, 1, 2, and then a third one. By the time we get into the end of next weekend, there could be as much as 6 inches of new snow to as much as 12 inches over here in Wisconsin. Of course, we'll have to wait and see as we get closer to the event. Now, the long-range outlook, which takes us from the middle of March to the end of March, says we're going to see near or slightly warmer than average temperatures. So maybe after this latest snow next weekend, we'll warm things up after that. In terms of precipitation, we're going to be right on the edge of near or maybe a little bit wetter than usual amounts of precipitation. With that kind of orientation, that may mean the form of some rain for the second half of the month. We'll have to wait and see. Tomorrow, though, it'll be mostly sunny, occasionally partly sunny here at the lake shore, with highs recovering to around 36 to 38. That's about 10 degrees warmer than you were today. 33 to 35 here up north. Again, mostly sunny here. And from Grand Rapids southward, again, mostly sunny skies, highs in the mid-30s. Winds will be out of the southeast most of the day, and the wind chills will have improved into the 20s. Imagine that. A lot of high clouds around throughout the day, though, tomorrow with that east-southeast wind. Sun coming up at 14 minutes after 7 o'clock. 5-day planner, dry through the weekend. We'll see some showers roll in on Monday afternoon and then thunderstorms Monday night as the cold front approaches. That'll drop our temperatures and sweep out the clouds early in the day on Tuesday. We'll drop from the 50s down into the 40s Wednesday and then eventually down into the 30s. 13 on target forecast. Maybe getting up to 41 with some snow on Thursday. That's the first of 3 waves. And then another round here on Friday into Saturday, and another round from Saturday, Sunday into next Monday. At least we'll move the clocks ahead here the following Sunday, as that's a sort of a sign of spring. We lose an hour of daylight in the spring, but it doesn't look very spring-like next weekend. So enjoy this one.
We will. Thank you, George.